we'll guide you through how to use Google Drive for sending photos. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Drive website. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're in, click on the New button on the left-hand side. From the drop-down menu, select File Upload. This will open a File Explorer window where you can select the photos you want to upload from your computer. You can select multiple photos by holding down the Control key while clicking on each photo. Once selected, click Open, and they will begin uploading to your drive. After the upload is complete, you can find your photos in the My Drive section. Now, to share these photos, right-click on the photo you want to share and choose Get Link. A window will pop up, giving you the option to change the link settings. Make sure to set the sharing settings to anyone with the link if you want people without Google accounts to access the photos. Copy the link and you can then paste it into an email, a chat, or any other platform you prefer for sending your photos. If you prefer to share directly, you can click Share instead of Get Link, enter the email addresses of the recipients, and add a message if you like. Then hit Send. They will receive an email with a link to view the photos. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.